ॐ नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीं संज्ञा प्रकरणं. This let us see. So for easy method of the prakriya, so like Rama Shabda is there. In Rama Shabda, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Raman, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi. Like that, vibhaktis are there. So, in some places, some word will get its sangna, some letter will get its sangna. Some letter will not get its sangna. So, which one is getting its sangna? For each shabda, it is difficult to remember, because after this we are going to start Subanta Prakriya. For Subanta Prakriya, all this will be very helpful. If we learn in this way, it will be very easy. So, to remember for each shabda, Prakriya is very difficult. So for that, what we can do is, we can memorize and remember all its sangna, sutras, and what does it mean. Then, whenever the prakriya comes, we will know immediately whether this will get its sangna or not. And by what niyama it will get its sangna. So it will be easy for us to recognize whenever it comes. So some of them we have seen, only 3 sutras we have not seen. 4 sutras we have seen, 3 sutras we have not seen. But it is easy. And one more question. Earlier, I think somebody was asking, how do we know that this word is getting anuvritti from the previous word? Or which word we have to get as anuvritti from the previous word, previous sutra? This kind of questions, if we have to look at the prakarana completely. This prakarana system has made by Pushpa Dikshit ji. It is all there in the Ashtapanini, Ashtadhyayi, but made it available to us in simple method she has done. Upadeshya Ajanunasika It. Who will split this sutra?
Upadeshe, in Upadesha, Ach, Anunasika It. So
Please continue.
So the Anunasika, which is there, gets it sanya in the Upadesha.
What kind of Anunasika?
That is up. I think, what was the word you used? Anubandha with the ach, I guess. That is joined with.
Just leave the Anubandha and all. So one thing we are going to practice is, from the sutra alone, we are trying to get the meaning without vritti, without a English commentary, or without any other commentary. Just from the sutra itself, we will try to get the meaning. This is what he was explaining me, how to understand and how to make each sutra complete meaning by itself, from sutra itself, not taking the help of vritti and all. So it is, I liked it very much, so I just wanted to share. Upadesha ach, anunasika it. So in Upadesha, that whatever is anunasika ach, that will get its sangna. So Upadesha means what?
That which is the sutra is written by Panini ji.
Sutra, sometimes we can take Vartika also, Vritti. Vartika, not Vritti, Vartika. Sutra, but it is rarely, but sutras mainly. Okay. Next sutra, can anybody other can read?
Purnaji, your screen hasn't changed. It is still.
Oh, sorry. Now can you see?
Yes.
What is the third sutra here?
Halantyam.
Halantyam.
Halantyam. Only Halantyam, there is no meaning. So, what is the karyam of this sutra?
It, Sangya.
It. So, we have to take it, anuvritti from the previous sutra. So, again, question I will raise. Anywhere, Halantyam means end of the ending hal. Everywhere it is getting ending letter hal, it sanya.
So will we borrow Upadesha also? Upadesh.
Yes. Upadeshe halantyam it. That is the sutra. Upadeshe halantyam it. So if we memorize this way, Upadesha jannaske hit halantyam, then we will know what is the halantyam means. So Ramam is there. If we take only halantyam, Ramam is also ending hal is there. If we take only it as the anuvritti, then it will get itsangna. Whatever is itsangna, it gets lopa. So Rama will remain in Ramam. So that way we should not take. So we have to take anuvritti upadeshe. Upadeshe halantyam it. This is the another sutra. We have seen Upadesha Ajarnasika it and Halantyam. Okay, what is the Sampurna Sutra for Halantyam?
Upadeshasya antim vyanjanam itsanyakam bhavati.
No, somebody else?
Upadeshe halantyam it.
Upadeshe?
Halantyam it.
Upadeshe halantyam it. So we have to be very careful when we do Vakya Vibhaktis. If we say Upadeshasya, then it will become Sthani. Upadeshe is Saptami. So that becomes Nimitta. So Upadeshasya, Upadeshe, all these things which should be clear. Upadesha Ajarnaske it is Sampurna Sutra and Upadesha Halantyam it is Sampurna Sutra. Now two sutras are over. Na vibhaktau tusmaha. This let us see what is the meaning of it. First, what else we have to take from this anuvritti? Meaning is in vibhakti. Vibhakti here means it could be vibhaktis, it could be tinganta prakriyas, subanta, tinganta, and avyaya pratyayas. It could be any of these pratyayas. Vibhakti means. So whatever is in Upadesha, if it is vibhakti or in vibhakti, tavarga, sakara, makara, these will not get its sangna. Upadeshe na upadeshe vibhaktau tusmaha na it or it na. This is the complete sutra. Here, let us take the example. Rama, so Rama Shabda, everybody is familiar, I hope. Rama Shabda Panchami, Ramat. So Rama plus At is there. Actually, this At replaced in the place of Nasi. What is the Panchami Vibhakti Ekavachanam? nasi. In the place of nasi, at will be replaced by the sutra tanasi nasaminatsyaha, but don't worry about it, we will learn that. So here at is the vibhakti pratyaya. In this vibhakti pratyaya, this ending halantyam also we have to take the anuvrutti. This ending letter is takara, which belongs to tavarga. That will not get its sangna. If it gets its sangna, then we will not have ramat. We would have rama only. So takara, tavarga, not only takara, whole tavarga will not get its sangna if it is in vibhakti. Also, sakara. Sakara also will not get its sangna. So, Rama Bhihi. This is the, which vibhakti it is?
Tritiya.
Tritiya.
Tritiya. Actually, here Rama Hari. We'll take Hari. Tritiya Ramaihi. Ramaihi, Ramebhyaha, Ramebhyaha. Sorry. Haribihi. So this is Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya. Hari also, Tritiya Ekavachanam Haribihi.
No, ma.
Oh, Jana.
What is the Tritiya Ekavachanam?
Harina.
Bahuvachanam.
Haribihi.
Haribihi.
Haribihi. Okay, in Rama Shabda, Ato besides that sutra will come. So, eyes will come in the place of this. Here, this Sakara is in Vibhakti. That's why it will not get its Sangna. In the same way, Rama plus here Makara is at the end and it is in Pratyaya and it is in Upadesha. So, it will not get its Sangna. So, that way Ramam form will come. So that is the meaning of this na vibhaktau tusmaha. This tavarga and sakara, makara will not get its sangna. So complete anuvritti is upadeshe vibhaktau halantyam tusmaha na it. That way we have to understand. Is this clear?
Yes, Pune.
Everybody?
Yes.
Can you please repeat it one more time?
Okay. Meaning is clear? Na vibhaktau tusmaha sutra?
Yes. Yeah.
See, first what we need is that we have to see. Okay. What is the karya of all these sutras?
It's Sanya.
It. So, if there is no it in the sutra, then we have to bring the it. Okay. We are, na vibhaktau tusmaha it, that we brought. So, na will keep it, it. Vibhaktau tusmaha it na. In Vibhakti, Tavarga, Sakara, Makara will not get its Sangna. If that is the case, then in Vibhakti, Pathati is there. So Vibhakti, I already mentioned, Vibhakti doesn't mean only subanta, tinganta also. So patati form will take. Patati has come. Okay, patati. If it is na vibhaktau tusmaha it, if this much only the vritti, if we take, then what happens is this takara also will get its sangna. This takara won't get its sangna, right? Okay. Then in that case, we okay, we'll go by the previous one. Vibhaktau tusmaha it na. In vibhakti, tavarga, sakara, makara will not get its sangna. Okay, where that takara, tavarga, sakara, makara should be? In the middle, at the beginning, or ending?
At the end.
At the end. So we have to take halantyam from previous sutra. Okay, at the end, for all, or is there any other nimitta? Upadeshe. If it is not upadesha, then we don't think about it. If it is upadesha, then only we will think about it. So upadeshe halantyam vibhakto tusmaha na it. Upadeshe halantyam vibhakto tusmaha na it. Is this clear?
Yes, thank
Yes.
you.
Purnaji, you had mentioned that vibhakti includes tinganta pratyayas.
Yes. Here vibhakti means vibhakti pratyas. That way we have to take. In sutras, some places if we take only subanta, vibhakti means if we take only subanta, but this sutra will apply in tinganta also. In krudanta also it will apply. In avyaya also it will apply. So that's why this vibhakti means we can take all other pratyas also. For that, he said, generally we have to understand by seeing the other pratyas. Even in tinganta it is used. That way we have to understand. In avyaya also it is used. So that way we have to understand here vibhakti means subanta, tinganta, avyaya. Is that clear?
Yes, Purnaji, thank you.
Okay, shall I go to next sutra? Adir Nitudavaha. This is the another sutra. So from here, little bit thinking will change. This ni to do. Three words are there. Three letters are there here. So this ni to do. Adihi. Adi means at the beginning. Let us take the vritti from here. Upadeshe. Can we take halantyam?
No, because Adi is said.
Adi is there. So halantyam now we are eliminating. Upadeshe. In this vibhakta we have to take. Upadeshe vibhakta. Vibhakta pratyaya or vibhakti, whichever one. Upadeshe vibhakta adihi ni to davaha it. This way we have to take the vritti. So here tusmaha, why we didn't take?
It is not changing.
Here
Need to do,
The
need to do are there.
need to do are there. So that's why we don't need to take. So adi is there. So halantyam we don't need to take.
So basically, Purnaji, can we take it as whenever there is one answer that we don't have in a particular sutra, then we take it as an anuvritti from the previous sutras. Is that how?
See, we have three things, na? Karya, nimitta, and sthani. These three things are there. If these three things are not there in the sutra, then that thing we have to take from the previous sutra. See here, need to do. These three things are sthani, right? Actually, it is given in prathama. Nitu davaha is prathama bahuvachanam. But in this itsangna, there is no sthani specifically mentioned. So that we have to understand this tusmaha also. So whatever is getting itsangna, just for understanding, will take that as sthani. So here tusmaha is sthani. Here nitudavaha is sthani. So that way we are not taking tusmaha. Here sthani is halantyam. So that way ajanunasika, this word we are not taking from the previous. But here nimitta is not there, and karya is also not there. Itsangna, getting itsangna is the karya. So upadesha we have to take, and karya is also we have to take. That way we have to see. In this nimitta, what is the nimitta? Upadeshe vibhaktau. Both are nimitta. And what is the karya? It is the karya. That we have to take. Is it clear?
Purnaji, here vibhakti is there for adi nitudava also. There is vibhakta is also part of anuvritti.
Sorry, vibhakti is not there. So vibhakti we can leave. So whenever we have doubt, then we can check here. It is for cross-checking. Upadeshe adihi nitudavaha it. This way we have to take.
Thank you, Pune.
Adir nitudavaha. Upadeshe adir nitudavaha it. So where this need to do will come is, these things will come in dhatu. Do, dukrun karane, that we are familiar. This do is at the beginning. At the beginning, do is there. So it is getting itsangna. This nyakara will get itsangna by halantyam. This do will get itsangna by adir nitudavaha. Then what will remain is kru will remain. Kru karoti kurutaha. Like that it goes. Next, bhi bhaya also we knew this dhatu. This bhi bhaye, before that ni is there. This ni will get itsangna by adir nitudavaha because it is there at the beginning. And these dhatus are upadesha. Bhrashru. Bhrashru is there. I copied only. I think it is correct only. Bhrashru dipta. Oh, this bhrashru is to bhrashru. This two will get itsangna by adir nitudavaha. Because it is in adi and it is upadesha. Now here one question. This tower 2 is given. So then why this dakara has given?
It has to be interpreted exactly as two, not like tavarga.
It is only two is indicating only two. Do is davaha. When we split, ni to do. Actually, that is a bahuvachanam, ni to do. So it is do, to do. And these three things, why they did not, why they are mentioning specifically?
Don't know.
Halantyam is given, na? This is hal only.
It's not Antya, it's Adi.
This is Adi. That's why they have given separately. Okay. Then Shaha Pratyayasya. If you look at all the sutras, numbers are in the sequence. This is 132. 131 is Bhuvadayaha Dhatavaha. That is the first sutra. First chapter, third pada, first sutra is Bhuvadayaha Dhatavaha. Then this is second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So the order is, sutra order is same. So Panini Maharshi has put all the Sanya sutras at one place. It is very easy to understand and remember. Shah Pratyayasya. Here for this, can you guess what could be the vritti?
Udeshe, it, and Adi.
That's all. Upadeshe we have to take. Why don't we take Halantyam?
Pratyaya.
Pratyaya.
Adi is near.
Adi is
Sthana is Adi is nearer.
No, see, Halantyam gets over by this Navibhakta Utusmaha. After this, Adi has started. From here, we have to take Adi. See, Panini Maharshi way of thinking, we have to become familiar. Halantyam under the Halantyam Sutra, Halantyam related sutras are there. Once Adi starts, then we don't take Halantyam. All the sutras we have to take Adi only, wherever it applicable. Is that clear?
Yes, Purnaj.
Yes.
Now, Upadeshe Adihi Shaha Pratyayasya It. Okay, what is the example for this is, there are, these are Krudanta Pratyayas. These are Tadhitanta Pratyayas. So, all these are Upadesha, all these are in Upadesha only. Upadeshe Adihi. This Shakara is at the beginning, Adi. Upadeshe Adihi, Shaha Pratyayasya, it is Pratyaya and it is Shakara. Then it will get its Sanya. So this Shakan will remain as Shakan, sorry. Shakan will remain
As Akan.
Akan. Shakara will get its Sanya, then Akan will remain.
Will the
Why-
na get
why
lopa
won't the
by
na go?
Halantyam?
Why would?
The Nakara stay.
Nakara will apply only to this sutra only. So here one more thing we have to understand is, these sutras made by seeing the form in the Shastra. So in Shastra, this Sha is getting its Sanya. If it won't get itsagna, then we would take nakara as anuvritti. But this need to do are getting itsagna and shakara is getting itsagna. So
No,
this, huh?
the question was in Shakan, it will become Aka, not Akan.
Yes. If alantyam we apply, then nakara will get itsagna.
Yeah. Okay,
No,
that's
I
what
just
the
asked
clarification
for,
is.
okay. I just asked for shakara itsagna. Is this clear?
So Purnaji, here halantyam is not anuvritti, but it still will apply after
In which one?
in this one, sha
Shakan.
pratyayasya.
No.
So if we take shakan, halantyam will apply, but it applies independently, not
Yes,
because of
it,
anuvritti.
yes. It is applying. This is also upadesha, right?
Yes,
Upadeshe halantyam itsyat.
it's yeah. Okay.
In upadesha, this is halantya. This is at the end, and it is hal. So it is getting itsagna. So this shakara, how it is getting itsagna? For that shaha pratyayasya.
Yes, Purnaji.
Purnaji, one question. Does it matter in which order we apply? Do we apply Sha Pratyayasya first on the Upadesha, or do we
No,
apply Halantyam
not
first?
required.
Doesn't matter. Okay.
No.
Order done.
Actually,
Okay.
what we do is we will do at a time. After at the beginning, we will do one after the other, but after some time, what we will do is shakan is the only aka we will take. We won't even mention sutras and all.
Okay. So
At the
we just
beginning,
do
for
it
practice.
simultaneously. Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Next one is chutu. Can anyone try to do the vritti?
So can we do upadeshe and it from the first sutra, and then in so vibhakta is taken?
No. Vibhakta and nakara only to only for that sutra only.
Okay. Yeah. So go ahead.
No, please complete.
No, so I was just going to say upadeshe adi and it then, or would pratyayasya also?
Yes. Upadeshe
Adi
adihi pratyayasya chutu it. So here chutu is chavarga and tavarga. So why they have not, why they mentioned here also separately? Halantyam already given, na?
Adi.
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 This is not antyam. This is the question that Ambaji has asked once. What is the difference between chutu and halantyam? So when we see the order, then we will know all these things. Upadeshe adihi chutu pratyayasya chutu it. Oh, I have not copied here. We are not familiar with any of these pratyas. Su aujas. Yes.
And top, I thought.
Top also. Are you familiar?
I've heard Swamiji say it before. So
Yes. Okay, we'll take top also. I'll write the sutra later, or I'll copy here. Chutu upadeshe adihi pratyayasya chutu it. Upadesha. These pratyas are upadesha. And adi. What is the adi letter? Chavarga or tavarga. So this jakara is chavarga. It will get itsengna. It will get itsengna. Then what will remain here?
Sakara.
Sakara.
Anybody?
us, no?
Us.
Us.
Sorry. Us.
Us. Here also, this is an upadesha and it is pratyaya. Adi, at the beginning, what is there? Tavarga is there. Tavarga is there. So that takara will get itsengna. Then what will remain?
Up.
The-
Ap will remain and then halantyam will make it a.
With al halantyam, we will get a. Here also halantyam will work, na?
Yes.
No,
No.
Why?
it's a vibhakti
So-
pratyay.
It's
It's a
a
vibhakti pratyay.
what
Wow,
is this?
just-
It is
Tusmaha.
ek pratama vibhakti bahuvachan, right?
Ha,
So na vibhakto tusmaha. So
ha.
this cannot be removed.
Na vibhaktavatu smaha, by that sutra, it should not be removed. That way, we have to understand. Lashakva taddite tasya lopaha, these two sutras are, you are familiar. Anybody?
Yeah, I had just one question. So in general, because Paniniji has given it in one order, should we first generally put, like, traditionally, is it like first Halantyam is done, then this is done? Like,
But even if we do other way also, form will not change.
Okay.
So right now our focus is on Chutu. So that's why we did this later. But in generally what we do is top pratyaya comes and automatically we will do a only. We don't do pakara lopa and takara lopa. Simultaneously we'll replace with the akara only. Actually, we
Okay,
don't
got it.
even
Thank you.
mention this pakara. Tabhyam bis. Top, even that pakara also in pratyaya. Su out just out just tabhyam bis. There is no pa.
This is three pratyay. This top is three pratyay. The other
Okay,
one
okay.
is ta is
Yes,
tritiya
yes. Yes, yes. Stri pratyaya, ta pratyaya. So we can take ta and a. Lashakva taddite. Now this meaning we know. Lakara, shakara and kakara in atad and it should be ataddhita. Ataddhite. It will get itsengna. What is the vritti for this?
Upadeshe adi
Hmm.
pratyayasya
And it.
it.
What is it?
Ataddhite it.
Only ataddhite?
No, then lakara shakara
You can read the sutra.
लशक्व तद्धिते.
Then
It.
Upadeshe Adihi Pratyayasya Lashakva Tadhite It. Okay, good. Everybody understood this sutra, right?
Yes, Poonaji.
Yes.
Next, Tasya Lopaha. This is not Itsangaka Sutra. This is called what they have mentioned. Oh, my PDF has closed.
They say it lopa vidhihi.
Itlopa Vidhi. Okay. Itlopa Vidhi. So this is only one sutra for Itsangna Lopa Sutra. It is easy. Now all these are Itsangna and Lopa is this one. In this one sutra only is there which is not getting Itsangna. That way we can remember. Now anyone can repeat from the beginning to Tasya Lopaha. Tasya Lopaha. What can be the anuvritti for Tasya Lopaha?
Itaha lopaha.
It Lopa. It Tasya Lopaha. So whatever is it, then it is getting Lopa. That's all. Okay. 3 minutes are there we have. Okay, one more point I will explain. You see, all these things are random things. So whenever I learn a separate prakriya apart from this laghu, so I will mention. So from tomorrow onwards, hopefully we'll continue with our laghu sutras. There was one question, if I remember correctly. This ataha, whenever it comes in the sutra, ataha is whether Panchami or Shashti. How do we recognize? Did anyone ask this question? Even if it is not for ataha, for other word also, because for some shabdas, Panchami and Shashti both are same. In sutra, if there is ataha comes, then whether it is Panchami or whether it is Shashti, how do we understand? If that is the question, then the answer is there are two kinds of adeshas. Anga Adesha and Pratyaya Adesha. So Pratyaya Adesha means what? Anga Adesha means that we will see when we come to Rama Shabda. So it will be easy to see there. But you can remember these things for understanding the sutra. So if it is Anga Adesha, then it will be in Shashti. If it is Pratyaya Adesha, then it will be in Panchami. These two things you can remember. This way, we can understand Anga. If it is Anga Adesha, it should be in Shashti. If it is Pratyaya Adesha, then it is in Panchami. Means, if we have that question whether it should go to Shashti or it should go to Panchami, then we have to see where we are doing Adesha. in the place of pratyaya we are doing adesha, or in the place of anga we are doing adesha. Pratyas means you know. So anga means whatever is preceded by the pratyaya is called anga. Like Rama is there. Rama plus Jas is there. Rama plus Jas is there. This Rama is called anga. This Jas is called pratyaya. So in the place of pratyaya, if adesha happens, then that ataha or whatever is, we are not able to recognize, that should be in Panchami. If it is anga we are going to replace, then that thing should be in Shashti. So this anga karya replacing will happen in Tinganta Prakriya most of the times. Hopefully not in Subanta. I don't remember in Subanta. But Tinganta, everywhere we will do that anga, many places. We will do anga karya, anga replacement.
Amma, that chutu, that us, this is halantyam is not happening. Then when Nrutti, why we are not adding that na vibhakto tusmaha? Tusmaha should be added.
For chutu will apply only here. For jakara, chutu apply. For sakara, halantyam will apply. Don't get confused. First you understand this. So here Adi is there. Whatever is the Adi Pratyaya, it is getting lopa because of chutu. Because it is Tavarga. Here also Adi is getting lopa. And Adi is getting itsagna. So because it is Chavarga by this sutra. Then about this ending letters. Ending letters, whether it should get lopa or not, that will decide by halantyam na tusmo na vibhaktau tusmaha.
Yes, then in the Ruttis, means like Upadeshe, then why in the, for the Chutu Ruttis, this Tusmat is not added. Means if
Why
you go
we
for
need
the
take? No, we don't add that. Na vibhaktau tusmaha is independent sutra. Chutu is independent sutra. Karya is also happening independently. If we take na vibhaktau tusmaha, here it is there.
here it's a name is here it is not there.
Here it is not there.
Means if you go a little bit up, just like means for the sutras, main thing. Like here for the Chutu Upadeshe, like Upadeshe Adi Pratyaya Chutu Tusmaha. Like that way we can do like that.
Tusmaha is halantyam, not adi. Right? Tusmaha, tavarga and sakara, makara are ending letters, not adi letters. In this sutra, adi is getting anuvrutti, not halantyam.
Okay.
See, for all, not only here, anywhere, not only here, anywhere, we have to take halantyam na vibhaktau tusmaha, separate karya. And adihi chutu or adihi shapratyaya, all these are separate karya. Independent karya we have to take.
Okay.
Amma.
And the last thing you explained, the Anga Adesha and Pratyaya Adesha, does it only apply for Ataha or are there other words also?
It could be other words. I just take it ataha because this word comes very frequently, it will come.
Okay. Thank you, Poonaji.
Generally, this halanta shabdas will have Panchami and Shashti same. There, it will be very difficult to recognize. Actually, this point, many people doesn't know how to recognize it. Say many people, they say we have to depend upon Vritti. Acharya's commentaries are there, we have to take. That answer I gave earlier, if you remember.
Yes.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vishishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.